Steph DIY Queen Squad. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Today we are making Valentine's glosses for my business, BLISS KISS LLC. So make sure you guys watch the full video. Watch over 5 minutes or longer because your girl needs view time. So hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Hit that notification bell for future videos. And hit that like button for your girl. You know, it helps out the family, helps out the channel. And then also comment down below if you want to see more lip gloss tutorials. All right, let's get into this video. Alright squad, so I will be using, to make my lip glosses, I will be using the lip gloss tubes, my pink and silver tubes, and these are for Valentine's tubes for February. Then I also have my cleaning supplies, my Purell, my paper towels. You have to be clean if you're not wearing gloves. Sometimes I wear gloves because it can get a little messy. And then I have my clear bowl that I'll be using to make my lip gloss in. Next, I have my lip gloss base. I'm going to be using castor oil and grapeseed oil to add in for the organic flavors. For lip gloss flavors, I have chocolate, apple, coconut, cupcake, French vanilla, and peach. If y'all want to see more content from me, follow me on Instagram. Follow your girl, Miss DIY Queen 904. Anywho, it's private page, so you have to send me a request for me to be able to follow you back. And also follow me on TikTok, Steph DIY Queen. You already know. So let's go there. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. You know, you want to know all the deets, what I'm doing, who I'm doing, where I'm doing it, who I'm doing it with. Y'all know I'm so extra. Child, follow me. Period. Squad, these are the colors that we're going to be using. We're going to be using blue, pink, and a little light gray, okay? That gray come out cute. That gray come out like a metallic gray, like a metallic color. Y'all got to see it inspired. But watch the whole video to see it. Don't just fast forward. Your girl needs views. Period. And squad, that right there is just the consistency that the lip gloss base is supposed to be. Your lip gloss is supposed to be nice and thick, not too thick, not too thin on your lips. So just like you can be like, my lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is cool. All the boys be jocking when they see me at the school. Hey, let me stop. If you made it this far, hit the like button for your girl. Hit the like button and then comment down below. Let me know what you think and let me know if you want more tutorial videos on how to make lip glosses. Look at that color, y'all. Look at that light pink color. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Hit the like button again for your girl. Yes. And if y'all want some lip glosses, please hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on TikTok. And yes, and I will give you information. Let me know what you need. Let me know what flavors you want. Let me know what colors you would like. And I will send them out to you. You got to pay. I will let you know the prices and I will send them out to you. Period. Hey squad, so that's what the light pink lip glosses look like. Hit a like button for your girl if you made it this far. You already know. Hit a like button for your girl, period, because period on baby. Let me stop. Like I'm a DJ or something. Like, come on now. This is why I can't do voiceovers. Y'all know I be doing way too much. Doing too much. Hold on, y'all. Y'all already know we about to add this color. See what this color is looking like. I told y'all I looked a little metallic. Let's tune into this color piece that's pulling up on the scene like a Lamborghini. Let me stop playing. See? Y'all keep getting me. Hold on. Look at this color. Period. Hit that like button for your girl, Ken. You made it this far. Yes, you a real MVP if you made it this far. You the MVP. You already know, and comment below and tell me that you an MVP. Period. Hold on. Wait a minute. Y'all thought I was done with that pink. Oh no, hell no. First of all, don't get it twisted. We gonna add a little gray metallic to the pink so it can be a mix. So y'all, we gotta go out with y'all boo and everything. Y'all wanna be a little cute or whatever. Y'all put my lip gloss on to be a little cute or whatever. Y'all gonna have some mixed colors in this shit. Let them know. Let your boo thing know, like, listen, I get my shit from BLISS KISS LLC. Don't play with me, cause I'm not for play, bitch. Come over afterwards if you want to. Pull up to the telly, flip to the house. Bitch, where? If you're a real bitch, comment down below. Let them know. You already know. Period. And this is where we get nasty after this part. Y'all see that? Damn, I need to work for the radio. WDKS, why hire me? Okay, you guys, if you ever made lip gloss before, this is where it get a little messy. You had to put the gloss within the tube. Living life with Lisa, she know it. She know all about it. She has a business. She sells lip glosses just like me. So she know about it. We two sisters trying to make everybody's lips feel beautiful. Oh, girl. So, girl, I can't even say that. I don't even know why I even try to say curl like Cardi B. It's not gonna work for me. It's just not. But yeah, this where it get a little messy. Okay, period. Y'all like me doing the voiceovers, cause I swear to God, like, yo, I be sound like I'm in the studio like my best friend Trent Monroe, bitch. Where they do that at? it's the grand finale. This is what the Valentine's glosses is gonna look like. I thought about calling them Cupid Kisses. You know, it's my brand. I can call them whenever I want to. I have an LLC. Cupid Kisses, okay? So if y'all love this, hit me up in my Instagram. Hit me up. Y'all got me on Facebook. Hit me up.